Welcome everybody, guys! Chef Paolo is super happy. The air start to become a little bit warmer. Our body really asks us to back in shape again. The food that we usually eat in the diet, mamma mia, it's really not delicious at all. So keep in shape with Chef Paolo, okay? So what we have today? 1 apple, 1 passion fruit, and 1 beetroot. Easy peasy, juice squeezy, guys. First thing first, we peel our fruit. The beetroot is really antioxidant, really good to clean all your body. Of course, it's good for the blood. You need to understand that nature always did things with purpose. Red color always helps blood. Then we peel our apple. We're gonna start together, guys, a series of recipes, a series of small tips Chef Paolo gonna give you how to keep back in shape in maximum 2 months. So by May, our body is gonna be ready, it's gonna be relaxed and super in shape. Passion fruit, guys, we cut in half and we take with a spoon all the amazing juice inside. We add our ½ liter of water and now it's time to blend. 20 seconds and it's done. Look, such an amazing, intense, dark pink color, guys. I can stop. Okay, guys, listen to me. The freshness of the apple and all the amazing properties of the apples. You know what we say, right? You remember? 1 apple a day keeps the doctor away. The sourness and the thickness of the beetroot, which is really good to clean all your body. The sweetness of the passion fruit. It's not by coincidence its name, passion fruit, makes this energy booster juice one of the best ever. Make it at home, you will love it. So fresh, amazing. Check my recipe, follow my steps and enjoy life. And remember, now we're gonna start to keep in shape with Chef Paolo. Next time, next healthy recipe, always with me, my home, my kitchen. Se vedremo. Bye bye!